Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn one problem from the first chapter of class 10th, that is show that root 2 is irrational number. Now we are going to solve this problem by contradiction method. So on the contrary, let us assume that root 2 is rational. If root 2 is rational, we can write that in the form p by q, whereas p comma q belongs to integers as well as p comma q are co-primes, right? So on the contrary, let us assume that root 2 is a rational number. So root 2 can be written as p by q, where p comma q are integers and p comma q are co-primes and q is not equals to 0. Now do squaring on both the sides. Root 2 whole square is equals to p by q whole square. What is the value of root 2 whole square? 2, which is equals to p square by q square. Take q square that side. 2 times of q square is equals to p square. This is the first equation. Now bring 2 this side. Q square is equals to p square by 2. What does it mean then? 2 divides p square. 2 divides p square. If 2 divides p square, 2 divides p also. So 2 is dividing p means how we can write that one then? P by 2. So 2 divides p by giving some constant c. Now take 2 that side. P is equals to 2. See, this is the second equation. First equation is 2q square equals to p square and the second equation is p equals to 2. See, now substitute this p value in the first one. 2q square equals to p square. 2q square is equals to p square. Then what is the p value from the second equation? That is 2c. So 2q square equals to p square. P value is nothing but 2c whole square. 2q square equals to 2c whole square, 4c square. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So q square is equals to 2c square. Bring to this side. Q square by 2 is equals to c square. So what does it mean? 2 divides q square. 2 divides q square. So if 2 divides q square, 2 divides q also. 2 divides q by giving some constant d. So what can I say? Conclude fine. 2 divides p and q. Here 2 divides p. Here 2 divides q. So 2 divides p as well as q. This contradicts the fact that p comma q are co-primes. In the beginning what? P comma q are co-primes. But here what we got? P and q both have number 2 as one of its factors. So p and q are not co-primes. Then why we got this wrong answer? Because of our wrong assumption. So root 2 is irrational number.